Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install the Headball 2 mod menu for free. This method works on both iOS and Android, and it unlocks all the best hacks in the game, including unlimited diamonds, God mode, freeze opponents, always invisible, and much more. As you can see on the screen, the mod menu gives you full access to premium features that make gameplay way more fun. Before we start, make sure your Headball 2 app is updated to the latest version. To check, just head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and confirm there are no pending updates. Once your game is up to date, you're ready to go. The next step is simple. Scroll down to the pinned comment below this video. I've included the exact instructions and the download link for Headball 2++. Follow those steps carefully, and you'll have the mod menu running in minutes. That's it for today's tutorial. Enjoy your new mod menu, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!